Hello traders, let me share with you guys how we manage amazing profit on pound Swiss franc on Friday 24th of November 2023. If you look at the 4-hour chart, this is the key important thing is, as explained to my trader, the pretty standard, and you can see the market nicely broken after the breakout. Market retest give us a high probability trade for pullback long. Another way, look at the market develop low high, that's the high probability of long. We have this impulsive move. After impulsive, market develop another correction, so we were looking for another breakout opportunity. Market nicely broken, and the target was around this level, which price nicely hit. Now it's easy to explain in 4 hour, anybody can explain to you, but the key important thing is explaining in the live market is the key important element into the trading. That's what we did. How we did, let me share with you guys. This is what we did. In intraday, we have this impulsive move. After the impulsive, as explained to my trader, market has developed another symmetry triangle pattern. This is the live analysis. This is not the historical analysis, guys. So you can see the market nicely broken, and as explained, but the time of price was breaking up this opportunity, developing this opportunity. We announced the live audio commentary, hit and another pullback, just to make sure trader don't miss this opportunity. It is a pretty standard straightforward pullback long. As soon as the price hit to the profit target, that's what explained my trade is time to enjoy some profit. After banking some profit, we look at another price action. Market nicely broken, beautiful long trade here, bank amazing profit. As always, after this one, we're looking for another pullback. As you can see here, that was the last trade. As soon as the market developed another pullback, I said to market, let's pull back based on that, and explain my trade. Consider tightening your stop loss or move your stop loss at the break even. Alright guys, so before the market close, as explained my trade, it's time to enjoy an amazing profit. And if you want to see all that analysis in detail with the full description and explanation through live audio commentary, most welcome. Join our fast growing trader community, guys. Have a nice weekend.